Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll first confirm hardware and permissions so audio flows correctly. Open your voice changer and pick a preset close to the sound you want. Why? Because presets save time and prevent clipping. Next, route audio through a virtual audio cable or loopback and make that virtual device your system microphone. Once done, test with a quick recording inside the app to check levels and noise gate. Make sure background noise is reduced before you join the call. Now join the call but keep settings accessible so you can tweak on the fly. In the call app, choose the virtual audio cable as your microphone. If you don't, people will hear your raw voice. Adjust pitch and format for naturalness and add subtle reverb to sell the effect. Why? Because extreme changes break intelligibility. Monitor through headphones and reduce gain if you hear clipping. Once you hear a clean, consistent tone, lock the preset and stay mindful of latency. To finalize, make sure the physical mic is muted or bypassed so only the processed audio goes out. Otherwise, participants get an echo. Save your working preset so you can recall the exact settings next time and record a short sample call for verification. If something goes wrong, for example, no one hears you or audio is garbled, restart the voice changer, reselect the virtual device in both the OS and call app, and verify permissions. This simple restart fixes most routing and permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.